So if you guys saw my video already, I'm having a hard time flying this guy, and it's never been extremely windy. I mean, I had more extreme wind, and this is brushless. And now we're gonna put Tello to the test here with brush motors. And then anyway guys, I had to put a leash because I already know it's gonna go everywhere and I'm not gonna able to find it. So anyway, got Tello in. Give me a second. And it's on. And then I'm gonna go to the app. Sorry, really quick. Go to my Wi-Fi here. Tello got in right away. And then I just go to Tello app. And the reason why I have this line here, like I said earlier, I had to. But now we're flying the Tello, and this is actually a little bit cheaper than this guy here. And we're gonna go ahead and launch, and I got it recording, and it's kind of windy, but it's not really like extremely windy. And look at this guy. I'm not even in sport mode or fast mode. You see this guy just hover? That's amazing. And then now, of course, this is actually my first time of me doing my own video here. And you can see Tello. Uh-oh, passing the waves. And you can see this guy just flying it without no problem. Wow. So, do I need a leash so he will not fly away like this guy did? Wow. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a fast mode, and you can see this guy, he's surfing too. Woohoo! That's about big waves, and you can see Tello coming back. Oh, he's surfing now. Woo! Look at that, guys. He's coming without no problem. Wow. Woo! Going back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop over here, and I'm gonna go take some picture. I like this place here. I always go surfing here. And look at this guy just taking pictures right now. Getting all the location. Taking pictures again. Take a picture of big waves. Yeah, so this guy is not afraid at all, and I still got plenty of batteries too. So now I'm gonna go put my video on. It's gonna start right now. So video is on. We're gonna go all the way out there. That's why I got confident in this little guy here. And of course I'm using a sport mode, fast mode. So he's ripping it. Look at him. Woo-hoo-hoo. Surfing. Wow, first micro passing through waves. Look at that. Again. Man, this guy act like he's a DJI Mavic Air or Spark. Look at that. So I'm about far away right now. And you can see, and it's going fast. Woo! Flying it out without no problem. Wow. Woo! See that drift? Look at that drift. Wow. You can see right now I'm all the way up there. So it's coming back. Remember guys, this is a big wave here, and that current is so bad, so even though if I drop my drone there, there's no way I can swim through that. That wave will suck me out in the middle of the ocean. It's called a rip current. And you can see the Tello. Woo! Wow! Ripping it. And it's kind of windy. So I still have about like maybe 70% of battery with this Tello guy. Woo! And he's just going. And I've been shooting video for 3 minutes. And it's gonna go ahead way out there. Look at that. So I'm not even using I'm not using extender today. And I could still get up there about 100. I'm gonna say about 100 yards. So you can see this guy coming in again. So, and this is what I do in my extreme review. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you guys gonna see more extreme videos. And you can see here Tello did a show again. So again, thanks.